Hello, my dear children. How are you? Waiting for the video. So, here I am with the new topic. Yes, children. But before that, on behalf of JetKid International School children, yes, I welcome you all in the virtual class. Yes, children. So, let's start our topic. Yes, today I am going to teach you social studies and the chapter number 6. Yes, children, a visit to space. In that, we are going to see about space traveler. See, children, before this, we studied about the observer and travelers. Yes, now in this video, we are going to study about the space traveler. Very interesting, children. So, if you are having your book, just open it. Open the topic space traveler. See, children, what do you mean by space traveler? Astronaut visit space and stay there for many days. Let us read about some well-known astronauts. See, children, we studied about astronaut, the people who go in the space, who visit space. Okay, and why they are visiting space? For research. Okay, for research they are going to for their studies, for doing research. Okay, so gathering some information. Yeah, so they who all are going? Anybody can go, we can go? No, only astronauts. Okay, so if you want to become the astronaut, listen carefully. So astronaut visit space and stay there for many days also, children. So let us read about some well-known astronaut. See the picture. Can you tell me whose picture is this? Yes, she is not other than Kalpana Chawla. Yes, children, Kalpana Chawla, she was an Indian American astronaut. Okay, children, she is Indian also, but after study and because she is in NASA and she married also, so she is living in America. So she is an Indian American astronaut who was born in Karnal, India. Okay, she was the first Indian woman to visit space, children. See, a very important thing which I'm telling you that she was the first Indian woman to visit space. She first traveled to space in November 1997. Okay, children. Now, let's see. See, you also not born till that date. Okay, she 1997. She first she traveled to space. Okay, children. So she is Kalpana Chawla. The second astronaut is Rakesh Sharma, children. He was the first Indian and the 138th astronaut to travel to space. Before Rakesh Sharma, 137 astronaut they traveled to space, but he is the first Indian, okay, who traveled to space. Okay, so but 138 astronauts to travel to space. Okay, he spent before him many astronaut travel, but he is the first Indian. Okay, so he spent 8 days in space. How many days? 8 days. My God. So see Rakesh Sharma. Third one. Can you tell me the picture? Can you see the picture and tell me who she is? Yes, she is none other than Sunita Williams. Sunita Williams, children, she stayed in space for 195 days, which is a world record for being in space for the longest time. See Rakesh Sharma, 8 days. Okay, and Sunita Williams, if you will see, 195 days. Oh my God! And it is a world record also. The longest time she stayed there. So you can see Sunita Williams, yes, spaceship. Yes, see, you can see out of in the space, she is in the space. Yes, so see, children, the next one is the Neil Armstrong and Edwin Aldrin. Listen carefully. Neil Armstrong, he is an American astronaut who was the first man to walk on moon, children. Oh my God, first man to walk on moon. Who is he? Neil Armstrong. He is actually not Indian. He is an American astronaut, children. Edwin Aldrin also, he is American and he is the second man to walk on the moon. So who is the first man who walk on the moon? Yes, Neil Armstrong. And the second man to walk on the moon? Yes, he is Edwin Aldrin. They both travel in the famous spacecraft Apollo 11. So in which spacecraft they travel? In the famous, they travel in space. That is Apollo 11. So see children, you can see Neil Armstrong is the first man who walk on moon. See, you can see the picture also. Yes, see his spaceship and he is on the moon. Yes. See Edwin Aldrin. We will see Edwin Aldrin. He is the second man who stepped on the moon. Okay, after Neil Armstrong is the second man. So they both travel together. वो दोनों साथ गए थे, पर सबसे पहला कदम किसने रखा? Yes, Neil Armstrong. And second किसने रखा? Edwin Aldrin. Okay, see this is the Apollo 11 spacecraft. इसमें ही बैठ के वो गए थे. Apollo 11 spacecraft. See this is the image of Apollo 11 spacecraft. Yes, children. And do you know which animal is this? Yes, it is a dog, children. And its name is Laika. He is the first animal in space. Oh my God. So Laika, he is a dog. And he was the first animal to be sent to space in 1957. Okay, children, so this is the information about space travelers. I hope you all understood it. Thank you so much.